people. We are challenging all the people, the media dogs that abandoned Biafra to attack Simon Ekpa. We are challenging them this evening. Let us see how many of them. Let us see how many of them who think they are genuine Biafra. They should leave Simon Ekpa and carry this message that I'm about to pass to the people today. Let us see how many people are going to all these places, all these pages where you see them writing Simon Ekpa. They are promoting me. And you know, they are promoting Simon Ekpa. I don't know. Because the more they write, the more they promote me. So let them stop promoting me. I don't want promotion. I want them to share the video and the exposition I am doing. So that those who never believe in Biafra will listen to this and reason. So that those who still have belief in Nigeria will listen and repent. And this information is coming to you free of charge, out of my goodwill. I want you now to go from tomorrow, if not this evening, from tomorrow. Let us see how many of them that are going to share the exposition, because this exposition will change lives, like other of our exposition has been doing. So charge them, charge all of them to share this exposition that is about to come this evening. Now let us go there. I was a product of political system.
I've done anything else, given what your records indicate. You could have been anything you wanted to be. Why did you choose the military?
I was a product of political processing at that time. There was a program of Nigerianization of the armed forces of the country, and also the process of, if I use that word, northernization, to make sure that people from this part of the country join the army. It's a political decision.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? There is a process of Nigerianization and northernization of Nigeria army. At that time, they used the word northernization. Now, I want to ask you, how is for those who claim that Ahmadu Bello was making reference to the region of northern Nigeria, where he said he want to make northern Nigeria, it is a northernization of northern Nigeria, which is the video I played in the beginning. The video of 1964. Northernization of armed forces of Nigeria. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? He said northernization of armed forces of Nigeria. And let me tell you, it didn't end here. That is the result of today. And you know what? He then called to lie to Nigeria. He said he annulled the June 12th election for the unity of Nigeria. He said they have to stop Abiola, a Yoruba man, from becoming the president for the unity of Nigeria. Do you know why? Because of northernization of Nigeria. The product, he said he is a product. I want you to underline the word product. So a product of northernization of Nigeria can never allow anybody else to come in to stop the northernization of Nigeria. So that was why they killed Abiola. And do you know the reason he's going to give why they killed it, why the June 12th was annulled? Do you know? He said because of the unity. Now, do you know why it is the unity? Because it is only when they annul the June 12 election, the Northerners will relax. Who is going to go to war? Had it been Abiola was declared winner of the presidency? Who? You think it is the Igbos? The answer is no. You think Igbos would have gone to war in Nigeria because Abiola was the winner? The answer is no. Who do you think they are going to go to war? Northern people. Because from the time Babangida was joining Nigeria army, he was a product of a political process. And the political process that made Babangida to join Nigeria army, he can never forget it. He can never forget it. And that is the quota system. He can never forget the product where he come from. He can never. You see, he can never. And that is the reason why they are going to do everything to make sure that the system favors the Northerner. Because from the beginning, they were all product of political process. Whatever that means, Simon Ekpa don't know. But I think by today, you will be able to know what it means. When you look at the judiciary today, you know what the political process means. So in my own wisdom and in my own interpretation, when you have professor of law in Nigeria from Yoruba, Oduduwa, from Biafra, when you have professor of law, when you have senior advocate of Nigeria, Malami become Attorney General as a result of political process. And what is it? It is called Northernization of Nigeria. When you have professors of law, when you have senior advocate of Nigeria, when you have judges of international repute in Nigeria, you see Tanko Mohammed becoming the chief judge, the CGN, as a result of northernization of Nigeria. And it is called a product of political process. I want you people to know where this problem is coming from, because when we are saying it, you say nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. And we are on ground. We are on ground. How can you be on ground? The only person that the Northerner will support is Buhari in 2015. And the certificate, primary school certificate, he cannot provide it. Among everybody in Nigeria, professor of law from Oduduwa land, Professor Osibanjo, become a deputy, a vice president to a man without certificate. Do you know the reason? Because it is a political process. Northernization of Nigeria. I am telling you, I did not say it. It is coming from a president, the ex-president, ex-head of state. So if this man was head of state for 8 years, if this man was head of state for 8 years, or how many years he was head of state, I don't know. You can imagine his mind. You can imagine what he had, the thing, this man, I am telling you, this is not only Babangida. This is not only Babangida. Every northern Muslim, Fulani, and everybody in the north. Do you know the mind this man carried to rule Nigeria for that 8 years? Or how many years he ruled Nigeria? Do you know the reason why Nigeria become member of Islamic organization? You don't know it was Babangida? Babangida registered Nigeria as a member of Islamic organization. You people don't know that? This is a confession. This is a confession. I want you to understand this problem where it is coming from. That you are no longer safe. Today, they have come through the back door. If he didn't say it now, you will all depend on the Ahmed Bello. And then when we say Ahmed Bello is saying this, he's saying that, some people say he's talking about, or that Ahmed Bello was talking about northern region. Have you come to see it now? After how many years? Since 1964 till 2021. The truth have come out in 2021. Because ndị Igbo na-asị na agwọ ofu onye fụrụ na agha eke. The snake, when one person sees snake, the snake will always become python. When the person begin to describe the snake, you will describe the snake, and then those who did not see the snake will say, ah, that snake must be python. It must be python. So had it been that Babangida did not come now to confess, everybody will continue to say Ahmed Bello was referring to northern region there. Ahmed Bello was referring to northern region there. And you have just seen a president, ex-dictator, ex-military dictator that annulled election of Yoruba. When Yoruba won election, because he was a product of political process, northernization of Nigeria. And let me tell you, you see the spirit Babangida is carrying is the spirit everybody in the Nigerian army they are carrying. Do you know that some people change their name to Mohammed? Do you know? Do you know that some people change their name to Mohammed to be able to get admission into Nigeria Defense Academy? Are you aware of that? Are you aware of that? If you don't know, go and ask question. A lot of people have changed their name today, and their name are Mohammed, Ahmed, because they want to enter into Nigeria Defense Academy to become an army officer. Do you understand that? And that is the problem. That is the problem. And do you know what? Malami is a product of modernization. So Malami, the first thing Malami should think of is modernization of Nigeria before anything. That is why today Abba Kaere has been indicted in America by FBI, the world's most powerful police. FBI. Do you know what? Because of the modernization, Abba Kaere become DCP, Deputy Commissioner of Police, because of the political process. There are mates, his mates, the people he entered Nigeria police with. Today they cannot boast of any rank. They can't boast of anything. But because of modernization of Nigeria, Abba Kaere now become the DCP. Today, product of modernization, Abba Kaere, they cannot indict him. They cannot extradite him yet. They want it to undergo due process. But let me tell you, if it happens to be Leko, Adeleke, it happens to be Okechukwu, by now, he will be in America. By now, Okechukwu will be in America. By now, Adeleke will be in America. Because everything that the Northerners are doing from day one is northernization. And people don't know. Our fathers have lied to us. Because how can they live in Nigeria and they did not know that the northernization of Nigeria is not about Ahmed Bello? How can a president, ex-military dictator who ruled Nigeria for almost 8 years, if I'm not mistaken, will have this kind of mindset? So, Ndi Igbo na-asị, you can't bite the finger that feed you. They cannot go against northernization. Now you see where the Nigeria problem is coming from. That is why when another person is retired, is the Inspector General of Police retired, another northerner take over. Head of military retired, another northerner take over. Senate President, northerner. Muslim, the Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, northerner, Muslim, Speaker, Muslim, DG, Custom, Muslim, northerner, Immigration, northerner, NNPC, northerner, Police, northerner, Civil Defense, northerner, Air Force, northerner. Everywhere you go today, it is called northernization. And people don't understand. I have been teaching this thing. It is called a systematic conquest of Nigeria. I said Taliban used guns to capture Afghanistan after 20 years. Oscar Enyang. Taliban used 20 years to capture Afghanistan. What do we do to stop this? My brother, Oscar Enyang, there is nothing you can do to stop it. The only thing that can stop it now is for the entire Southerners, Biafrans, Middle Beltans, for everybody to come to understand why Northern Fulani Muslim and Northern Muslim have taken over the entire system of Nigeria. Because all this while, everybody was wondering. If you go to social media, if you go to media houses, everybody is complaining. Yeah, why not have taken over everything? This one, custom, not. This one, not. That one, not. Fulani this, Fulani that, Fulani. So people don't know. Those who say they are educated, they don't know where it is coming from. They don't know.